Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to share this Google Drive link in the description section where you are going to get full course material and also educational tool in the Google Drive. Okay, so the link will be shared in the description section, and when you get access to it, you are going to find a lot of materials like artificial intelligence. So let's click on the folder and see. So we have AI and games, we have AI project, we have AI theory, and we have the build your NN. Okay, so that is the neural network. Okay, so let's go to the AI project. So when you click on the AI project, you are going to get some books. We have the artificial intelligence application in information and communication, and we have the artificial intelligence for .NET speech language and search, and we have the executive guide to artificial intelligence, which are powerful books you can read. Okay, so we have 200 solved problems in Python, which is very good resource here. So we have the array, we have the basic, we have the class, we have the condition and the loop, we have the date and time, we have the dictionary, we have a whole lot here. So let's click on the basic and see. Okay, so first let me download. Okay, so we have a calculator with input solution. So this is a Python code. Okay, so we have here the question: write a Python program that accepts an integer and compute the value of n plus nn plus nnn. So here is the code. So and this is the declaration here. Okay, the same Python, we have the numpy, the pandex, we have the search, we have the sort, we have a whole lot here. Okay, we have the business intelligence, and we have other courses from universities like the Columbia University. Okay, so let's try the Columbia University. Okay, so this is a lecture notes which talks about machine reasoning using Bayesian network. So those of us who are fan of Bayesian theory, this material is good for us. Only 81 pages and you can read through. Okay, we have computer vision, we have IBM. Okay, so the IBM 2, we have the courses. We have a lot of courses here which comes with the exercise. We have workshop, we have University of Maryland, we have the embark, we have the Tableau. Okay, so those of us in data analysis or data scientist or data visualization, I'm sure you know about Tableau. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to get some tutorials which comes in the form of videos. you get some files for the Tableau course. Okay, let's go back. We have the workshop. Let's go to the workshop and see what is there. So we have the big data analytics, we have the big data analytics, and we have the introduction to big data analytics. So that one is more practical way. Then we have machine learning for healthcare. Those of us who are in the health sector, we can take this material and go through, which will help us in machine learning for healthcare. It will give us a broad idea. We have a whole lot. We have OS, that is the operating system. So we are going to learn about the iOS penetration and testing, Android programming, installation, storage, getting started here with Red Hat, and enterprise visualization. Okay, so we are going to learn mastering Windows presentation foundation and a whole lot. Ubuntu is also there, and Linux. Okay, we have Python in French. So those of us who are languages in French, we are not restricted, or there is no constraint. When you get access to this file, you see a French courses where you can take it, or those of us who want to learn French courses, you can take it. And we have the Python en français. Yeah, I know Python in French. And we have data science here. So when you click on the data science, you are going to get some 40 interview possible questions which you may ask, and also data science from scratch and learning to love data science, and also Python for data science analytics. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope this video is helpful. The link will be shared in the description section. See you in the next video. Peace.